Hello friends, welcome back to Cooltronics Projects. Have you ever seen smooth animations on a tiny OLED display and wondered, how is this even possible? Today I'll show you exactly how to create animated graphics for an OLED LCD and connect it to ESP32, Arduino, or any microcontroller using the I2C protocol. And here's the best part, no graphic design skills needed, no complex coding. We'll use a free online animation tool that generates ready-to-use Arduino code in just 2 simple steps. The link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. Let's start with the tool. Inside, you'll find many animation categories: UI elements, web, social media, weather, loaders, emojis, and more. The moment you click any graphic, you instantly see a live animation preview. This preview shows once the animation is selected, we move to the next step: OLED display size. By default, it is set to 64 pixels, which matches most common OLED modules, so we keep it unchanged. Now comes the important part. Click on Get Code, and just like that, your complete animation. Now let's move to the hardware. We need a breadboard, an I2C OLED LCD, jumper wires, and an ESP32 development board. Connect the OLED pins carefully. Once everything is connected, select the correct COM port and upload the code. Upload successful. No errors. Now look at the hardware. The same animation you saw in the simulator is now running live on the OLED LCD. Smooth, clean, professional. This is how you create next-level OLED animation.